Welcome to Finance Bhethala, where markets tell stories. Wealth begins with knowledge.
Indian stock market the next global powerhouse? In the last few years, we've seen massive growth, and as someone investing from inside India, TT's not just about hype. India has the world's largest young population, a booming digital economy, and a massive shift in manufacturing. Whether you are in New York, London, or here in India, the data shows that Indian companies are scaling up faster than ever. I personally track my investments through platforms like Groww, and I've seen how corporate actions like bonus shares and steady mid-cap growth are creating real value. It's not just about big names, it's about the underlying strength of the economy. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio, India is a market you cannot ignore. But how do you start? In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing how to track these opportunities, manage risks, and build a long-term portfolio. So, make sure to subscribe and join the journey.
A new global power is rising, driven by technology and ambition, fueling unprecedented growth. India, the world's fastest scaling economy,